Ahoy, treasure seekers. The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell. Levels or ranges. Value area. High, VAH, 6,841. This be the high cliffs, where the lookout spotted land. A breakout. Here means the winds are in our favor. Value area low, VAL, 6,751. The treacherous sandbar where the hull starts to scrape. Fall below, and we are sinking to the depths. Point of control, POC, 6,770. The captain's cabin, where most of the doubloons changed hands during this chaotic voyage. Support zone, 6,743 to 6,751. The sturdy oak of the ship's hull, where the buyers are holding the line against the abyss. Resistance zone, 6,841 to 6,880. The heavy iron chains of the harbor, blocking our path to the open ocean. Single prints, escape paths, lower, 6,743 to 6,748. A dark cavern under the sea once entered, there is no turning back. Upper, 6,875 to 6,880. The clear blue horizon where the sun finally breaks through the clouds. Market context. Today's chart looks like a ship caught in a maelstrom. The price has been tossed between 6,743 and 6,880 with the grace of a drunken sailor. The massive drop in CVD suggests a full-blown mutiny is underway, as sellers are throwing everything overboard to lighten the load. It is a market in distress, struggling to find its sea legs after a sharp descent. 3-day march through the jungle. Day 3, March 1st. P.O. C. 6,820. High, 6,839. Low, 6,811. A calm day on the deck with very little wind in the sails. Day 2, March 2nd. P.O. C. 6,815. High, 6,911. Low, 6,769. A rogue wave hit the ship and scattered the cargo across the deck. Day 1, March 3rd. POC, 6,770. High, 6,880. Low, 6,743. The mutiny began in earnest, and the captain was nearly tossed to the sharks. Value has been sinking faster than a lead anchor over the last 3 sessions. A recovery above VAH would be a sign that the crew has regained control, while a failure at VAL means we are destined for Davy Jones's locker. Volume analysis. Cumulative. Volume. Delta. CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD negative 1,679 contracts. The day started with a few grumpy sailors grumbling in the galley. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD climbed to negative 976. A brief moment where the sun peeked out, and someone thought about buying a round of rum. Current CVD. Negative 35,951. Net negative 34,272 from open. The mutineers have taken the bridge and are steering us straight into a whirlpool. Intraday low. CVD low. Negative 53,613. A moment of pure panic where even the ship's cat jumped overboard. Interpretation. The sell side delta is as heavy as a chest of cursed gold. Any attempt at a rally will be met with the cold steel of the seller's cutlasses until fresh buyers arrive. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near the sturdy sandbar at VAL, 6,743 to 6,751. Stop loss, below the single print floor at approximately 6,739, 4 ticks below the low, or use average true range, ATR, approximately 14 points, below entry. Profit target, initial target at the captain's cabin, POC 6,770. Major target at the high cliffs, VAH 6,841. Short trades. Entry zone, on a failed attempt to scale the harbor walls, 6,841 to 6,880, or breach of the sandbar. Stop loss, above the iron chains at approximately 6,885 or ATR above entry. Profit target, POC for the first chest of silver, then VAL for the rest of the treasure. Position sizing. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your booty on a single venture. Drop your anchor and trail your stops once the first target is reached to protect your plunder. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above VAH. The crew quells the mutiny and the ship sails past the cliffs at 6,841. Setup. Enter long above 6,841 with stop at 6,770. POC. Target 6,880 plus on continued momentum. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. The harbor guards. Fire the cannons and push us back from 6,841. Setup. Short on the first sign of retreat from 6,841. Stop above 6,880. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The hull cracks at the sandbar of 6,751. Setup. Short on a break below 6,743. Stop above 6,755. Recent swing high. Target the deep waters of the 6,730 area. Scenario D. Value bounce. The ship finds a hidden current at VAL and starts to rise. Setup. Long at 6,751. Stop at 6,739. Target POC, then VAL. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.